Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Lisa and today we're going to make up seafood Alfredo in the crock pot. Stay tuned. Okay everyone, so what I did is I just sprayed the inside of our crock pot with some avocado oil to keep it from sticking. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash up my tatsoi spinach leaves and chop up the imitation crab and break the spaghetti and combine it into the crock pot. I just went ahead and split the pasta in half. Then we're going to go ahead and dump in the cooked shrimp. Okay, and I didn't have to chop up the imitation crab because it was already pretty much separated. So I just went ahead and put that in. So we have the pasta, the shrimp, cooked shrimp, and the imitation crab in there so far. Alrighty, and we love our garlic, so I have a huge tablespoon of minced garlic we're going to add to it. Alrighty, then we're going to go ahead and add our tatsoi. I went ahead and chopped it up. We're going to go ahead and add that. Alrighty, and next we're going to go ahead and add in our Alfredo sauce. Try and cover everything. We're going to mix it in real good. And we're going to fill at least one of the jars with water. So we'll be right back. That's 2 jars of the Alfredo sauce. Alrighty, we have everything mixed together. I used about 1 full jar of water with the 2 small Alfredo sauces. So let's see if that's going to be enough. I may have to add more Alfredo sauce or more water, but we're going to see how it goes. So the only thing left to do now is just add some black pepper and call it good. And we will check back in about an hour. Alrighty, and this is what it looks like after 1 hour of cooking on high. It's looking really good, but I am going to stir it just to make sure the pasta on top gets cooked thoroughly. So we'll check back in a little bit. Alrighty guys, and here's the finished product of our seafood Alfredo. We ended up using 2 small jars of Alfredo sauce, and I do have an additional jar, but I'm going to wait and see if we need it because there's a lot of sauce that's still on the bottom here. I don't think we are going to need it, but just in case, I ended up buying an extra one because they're small. They're the small jars. And so yeah, so it looks pretty good. It smells delicious. I can't wait to dig in. And if you like this kind of content, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, leave a comment down below, and until next time, stay blessed.